Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Welcome to our new 6-part lesson series on the production process. Today, we're starting with the basics. What is production and how does it play a role in providing goods and services? Let's get started. Production is the process of creating goods and services to satisfy customer needs. Businesses use different methods to convert raw materials into finished products, adding value at each stage. Without production, there would be no goods to sell, no services to offer, and no economy to sustain business activity. There are two main types of production output: goods and services. Goods are tangible products, meaning they can be seen and touched. Examples include food, clothes, and electronics. Services, on the other hand, are intangible. They cannot be physically held, but they provide value to consumers, such as banking, education, or health care. Businesses produce goods and services to meet customer demand, and they must choose the right production method to do this efficiently. Some companies focus on mass-producing identical goods, while others provide custom-made products or services. The role of production in business success is significant. Firstly, efficient production leads to lower costs. If businesses can produce goods at a lower cost, they can sell them at competitive prices while still making a profit. Secondly, production determines product quality. If businesses use high-quality materials and skilled workers, they can create superior products that attract customers. Additionally, production creates jobs. Factories, offices, and service industries all employ workers to carry out production tasks, boosting employment rates. In the UK, the car manufacturing industry, including brands like Jaguar Land Rover, provides thousands of jobs. Production also helps businesses meet demand. If production is too slow, customers may turn to competitors. If it's too fast, businesses may be left with unsold stock, which can lead to waste. Effective production planning helps businesses match output to demand. There are different methods of production, and businesses choose based on factors such as product type, cost, and customer needs. Over the next lessons, we'll explore the key production methods: mass, batch, job, and flow production. Each has its advantages and disadvantages, and we'll use UK examples to illustrate how they work. In your AQA GCSE business exam, you might be asked to explain why production is important, compare different production methods, or analyze the impact of production efficiency. A typical exam question might be: explain 2 ways in which production impacts business success. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like this lesson, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your questions. I'll be happy to respond. See you in the next lesson on mass production.